Jonas, and I'm going to teach you how to do a slap shot. First, you want to have your hand about a little further down the middle of my stick. So, for your wind-up, you want to have it just lower than your shoulder. Feels like no time and your opponent's coming right on you, then you'll just do a little one, or a different kind of shot like snapshot, right shot, or backhand. Usually not backhand, but yeah. And when you're coming down, you have a low stance, bending your knees, and then you come down, you hit the ice about 4 inches before you hit the puck, and then you're going to hit it about right on the heel to about the middle. If you hit it on the toe, then it will be a hard, very bad, lousy shot. You don't want that, obviously. So you're coming down, you hit the puck, and you have to have your front foot in front of the puck. If you don't, this is what it looks like. It looks very bad. And when you're following through, you hit it, and then you point at your target, first like this, and then you roll your wrist over. If you want to do a higher slap shot, you don't roll your wrist over just as much. But if you do this more, then it'll be a harder, lower shot, which is if your defenseman back there, then you'll have more chance of scoring and getting it through. Because if you shoot really high, then you're obviously going to shoot and hit someone in the head. So here's what it looks like. Take a little look at your target, because if you just shoot it, you have no idea where it's going to go. And that was the slap shot.